The F-16 Fighting Falcon has once again drawn international attention as several countries reaffirm their commitment to operating the highly versatile fourth-generation fighter jet. Originally developed by General Dynamics and now produced by Lockheed Martin, the F-16 is widely regarded as one of the most successful multi-role combat aircraft in history. Defense ministries across various regions highlight that the F-16 remains efficient, agile, and capable of performing multiple mission types, including air-to-air combat, ground attack, and territorial patrols. Its powerful single-engine design, advanced fly-by-wire system, and bubble canopy that offers pilots exceptional visibility are among the key reasons the aircraft continues to be favored worldwide. The F-16 can also be equipped with a wide array of weaponry, including AIM-9 and AIM-120 air-to-air missiles, precision-guided munitions, and conventional bombs. With a top speed of Mach 2, the jet is considered one of the most agile fighters in its class. Military analysts emphasize that the F-16 remains relevant despite many nations transitioning toward fifth-generation aircraft. Continuous avionics upgrades and modern weapons integration keep the F-16 competitive in today's combat environment, a defense analyst noted. More than 25 countries currently operate the F-16, including Indonesia, which employs several variants to strengthen its national air defense. Having been in service since the late 1970s, the F-16 is expected to remain operational for decades to come, supported by ongoing modernization programs and technological enhancements.